Now let's understand keywords in Python. As part of Python for AWS, we are learning Python language fundamentals. Now let's understand Python keywords. Every keyword in a Python language having special purpose, special meaning. Like other languages, English language, Telugu language, Hindi language, Python also having reserved words or keywords. Example, let's take English language. I having a special meaning. He having a special meaning. She having a special meaning. Yes or no? Is, was, been. Every keyword is special meaning, special purpose. Similar way, Python reserved some words as a keywords. That words having special meaning, special purpose. Example, let's take if. If is used for condition check, for and while for looping purpose, try for uh, exception handling. So every keyword having special meaning, special purpose. If you want to know how many keywords reserved in Python, there is a module called keyword. In that module, there is a variable called keyword list. If you print that keyword list variable, it gives a complete list of keywords reserved in Python. In these keywords, every keyword is a lowercase. See, every keyword is a lowercase except to three keywords. In that three keywords, false and true reserved for Boolean representation and none is reserved for nothing. If you are not assigning anything to your variable, if you are not returning anything from your function, then Python will return this none. None means nothing. Okay. So total 35. No, no. Some keywords having underscores. Okay. Identifier, I am saying if you use exact name, not possible. Keywords. You can use anything. You can use anything. That is different name, right? That is not keyword. Okay. Clear, right? Keywords.